What's going on, everyone? Lilith here. This video is going to be exactly step by step how the 5th night free reward redemption benefit works with Marriott. This benefit has some rules which I'll put up on screen, with the headline being it's available for anyone as long as you create a free Marriott Bonvoy account. So here we are in the Marriott app, and I have some of our search criteria pre-filled here. So location, Atlanta, Georgia, just arbitrarily. The dates, I've put 5 nights specifically for Wednesday, October 29, 2025, with checkout of Monday, November 3rd. Room and guest, just one room, one guest, no special rates, book with points, and let's go ahead and check our availability. So once the results load, it shows that, okay, I have this many points, but I wouldn't have enough points, let's say, for the whole stay if I pick this certain property. And so here, when I click select, I get this message saying, hey, this rate requires additional points, etc. So the point of me making this video is basically I couldn't see what that view looked like if I don't have enough points. So I'm just going to go ahead and check availability again. This time I'm going to sort by lowest price, so that way we'll have something. So here's a good example of, let's say, the Spring Hill Suites in Atlanta, Alpharetta. So 73K points per stay. And over here, I'm just going to say select, kind of get to our kind of checkout screen to kind of see what this actually looks like. So as we can see, 5 nights, same criteria, and this is the kind of room. And as we scroll down here, basically the summary of charges, I have this many points. It does cover the cost. And carefully, if we see this, that Sunday, November 2nd is the free night. The reason being it's the cheapest night of the 5 that we get for free, because that's how the 5th night free perk works. So if all the nights are 100,000 points, but the cheapest is 10,000 points, you'll only get that 10,000 points night basically for free. And it's as simple as that.